Hey, thanks for tuning in again. We're going to run a 250 watt slug in this bird meter, and we got a peak kit. So we're going to see how accurate this peak kit really is. Audio. 1, 2. 1, 2. All right, just talking into it with that 250 watt slug, seeing about 70, maybe 75, 70, 75, yeah, about 70. So not too bad. I would say it's probably pretty accurate because I had this radio, which is a 955 Striker. I had it tuned up at a professional shop, and that's about what they were telling me. So I would say this PEP kit is fairly accurate. So if anyone's looking to get one of those kits off of eBay, about 60 bucks, it's probably worth it. Hey, thanks for watching.